Echoview Fiber Mill is an innovative, state-of-the-art fiber processing and manufacturing hub in the town of Weaverville, located in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of western North Carolina. We deliver the highest quality yarns, services, and products that fuel and celebrate the American spirit of hard work and self-expression. Echoview is also home to a 78-acre working farm, serving a range of local industries. Local farmers and farmers from across the country trust us with their processing needs because they know our values drive the quality of service they've come to expect and appreciate. We make sure that the fiber they send us is the fiber we return to them and that every batch receives individualized attention. How is fiber taken from raw fleece to the high-quality products and yarns our customers expect and appreciate? Our customers can choose exactly how far they want their fiber processed, from simply having it washed to getting it returned as yarn in skeins or on cones. After your fiber is received and taken through our quality check and foreign matter removal, we scour the fiber. Scouring is the process of removing dirt and grease. Our Kiwi scouring unit has 2 wash units and 1 dryer. The wash units automatically take your fiber through 2 wash bays and 5 rinse bays, while maintaining the perfect temperature to ensure the highest product quality. After your fiber has been washed, scoured, and dried, it is taken through the opening stage. The opener detangles clumps found in the fiber. The fiber is then fed through a conveyor to a cylinder with teeth-like pins that separate and prepare the fiber for further processing. By virtue of the drum speed, the fibers are carried from the rear of the machine and air blown into a condenser. The end result of the opening phase is a fluffy, clump-free fiber that can then be dehaired or carded. Some fibers, such as llama, alpaca, mohair, and certain types of wool, require dehairing. The dehairing machine is designed to accept clean, washed, grease-free fiber and selectively separate fine fiber from coarse fiber and vegetable matter, such as hay, seeds, and burrs. The unwanted material collects in a chamber beneath the machine, and the fine fiber is discharged from the end of the machine. Once the fiber is opened and dehaired, it's taken through a process called carding. Carding is an essential phase in fiber processing. The carding machines perform 3 major functions. All are crucial to providing a high-quality end product. The carding machines individually separate the fibers from each other, align the fibers parallel, and convert the random mass of fiber into a continuous web, either to form a bat for felt making or hand spinning, or drawn together to form a sliver for roving or spinning. During the carding process, the fiber is laid out on a conveyor belt, hand fluffed and fed into a series of rotating cylinders that comb the fibers into parallel alignment that are then swept and drawn into a bat drum or into a sliver coiler. The fiber that's transformed to sliver can now be sold as roving for hand spinning, while the fiber transformed to bats is sold as is for hand spinning and stuffing. Bats can be further processed into needle felted or wet felted products. Needle felters have upper and lower pin-filled segments. As the bats are being drawn through, the pin segments randomly tangle the fibers to form sheets of felt. With wet felting, the bat is placed on the machine and soaked with a water detergent mixture. Then, pressure is applied to the soaked bat. The machine agitates the fiber in a back-and-forth motion until the sheets of felt are formed. Slivers that aren't sold as roving to hand spinners are taken into a process called pin drafting for further processing. The pin drafter takes several strands of sliver and combs them into a single sliver whose alignment has been vastly refined for the purpose of giving the next process the most consistent presentation of fibers possible. After pin drafting is complete, the sliver is taken through our state-of-the-art roving and spinning processes. The roving machine takes the slivers and twists them down to a smaller size called roving and winds the finishing roving on tubes that are then spun into yarn. Part of what makes Echoview unique is our ability to spin and wind a vast array of roving and yarns. Our capabilities include single yarns, multiply, and blended yarns that can be packaged on cones, tubes, or skeins. The quality and innovation of our equipment is unparalleled and provides our customers the liberty to choose from an almost limitless menu of fiber processing options. At Echoview Fiber Mill, our America begins right here in the town of Weaverville. The town and the surrounding area is home to one of the most vibrant maker communities in the Southeast. We believe it's our responsibility and it's our honor to support local artisans, farmers, breweries, entrepreneurs, and small business owners. Collectively, the craftsmanship and heritage of American-made products from our community will continue to thrive. We are made together in America.